begin with today's lovely spicy chicken sandwich recipe. So here are the ingredients. I've taken about 250 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut them into small cubes. Here is one medium-sized onion chopped fine, one green capsicum chopped fine. This is about 1/4 cup of hung curd, or you can also use just regular dahi, curd or yogurt. I will leave the instructions of how to make the hung curd in my description box below. Now here I've taken 2 light green chilies and chopped them fine. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. That is, I've used 1 inch of ginger and about 6 cloves of garlic. This is the juice of 1 lemon, half a lemon. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is just a pinch of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So these are all our ingredients. Let's begin. So now I'm going to marinate the chicken by adding some ginger garlic paste, the red chili powder, the pinch of garam masala, some black pepper powder, the coriander powder, some salt to taste, the green chilies. I'm also going to add the lemon juice, and we're going to mix everything nicely together. And then I'm going to add the hung curd, or you can also use regular curd, and again mix everything together, and we're going to cover and keep this aside for about 30 minutes. Now marinating this for 30 minutes is also very important so that the chicken gets the flavors of all the ingredients that we've just added. Now after 30 minutes, I've just taken a pan and added about 1 tablespoon of oil. I've added this marinated chicken to it, and I'm just going to fry this well, and then I'm going to cover and cook this for about 10 minutes till everything comes together, stirring in between, and then you'll see that your chicken should look like this. So now you can turn off the heat and let the chicken come to room temperature. And now we have to assemble our sandwiches. So that's the chicken mixture, our chopped onion and capsicum. Now I'm using brown bread slices. You can go with white, whole wheat, or whatever you use regularly. I've already heated up my pan, and I'm just going to butter up the bread on all 4 breads with a little bit of butter. Then I'm just going to add this chicken mixture that we made, which is really, really delicious. And then I'm just going to top it up with this chopped up onion and capsicum. And then I'm just going to put the other slice on top of it, and I'm going to press it down. Now you could also add a little bit of grated cheese if you like. So just press it down so that it gets packed nicely. Apply a little bit of butter on the top, and now I have my sandwich pan heating. So all I'm going to do is just toast it nicely on both sides till it becomes nice and golden brown in color. This is a really, really delicious recipe, and it gets ready also very, very quick. It's a nice tiffin item or a breakfast item, or you can just have it as a light brunch or a light dinner recipe. And now I'm just going to cut them diagonally, and you could serve this up with some lovely ketchup or some green chutney. Whatever you really like to have it, or you can just have it all by itself. It's really, really delicious. So do give this recipe a try, and do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. But these are really, really delicious, and something very different from the regular sandwiches that we make. So enjoy this recipe.